How to use Google Calendar to achieve your goals plus hacks and tips. Google Calendar is one of the most powerful tools on your computer. With a little bit of effort, you can set up a calendar and use it to plan out your day, week, or month. You can use it to stay on top of deadlines and appointments, organize your life and keep yourself from forgetting any important tasks. In this article, we'll show you how to plan your day effectively with Google Calendar, including how to add events from almost any website or mobile app, as well as some hacks for getting the most out of this handy tool. Read more. How to use Google Calendar. Open your Google Calendar. At the right side of the screen, click Add Event and then type in a name for the event. Click on All Day if you want to assign an entire day for your event. Select the start time or end time for your event. You can select different times by clicking on the Time tab. Where put in an address or choose from one of your frequently used destinations from the list provided. Click on More Options and select how often you want this calendar entry to repeat. Click on Create Event. Add and update tasks on Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a great tool for scheduling events and tasks. It allows you to see your meetings, deadlines, and other important events all in one place. To add a task to your calendar, search for it by typing it into the search bar or choosing from a list of categories that appear. You can also just type something like "Remember to buy milk" into the text box at the top of Gmail where you type an email address. When you type in a task, Google will provide suggestions of things it thinks you mean. For example, when I typed in "Remind me to get my hair cut," Google recognized that and offered to create a task called Get Haircut. It also suggests locations, like your office, home, or the school where you work. You can choose any location, which is useful if you have a lot of tasks that are specific to one place. Get the Google Calendar app. It is easy to use the interface to create and manage your tasks. You can also set up email reminders so you won't forget what needs to be done. It is a powerful tool that allows you to sync with multiple Google accounts, allowing you to manage your workload better. Using it to improve your social life. It's easy to use social media for the sole purpose of staying in contact with friends and family. But there is another way to use it that can help improve your social life. Setting up a dating profile on one of the more popular sites, such as Tinder or Match, can be a great way to meet new people. Search. Create reminders. You can set different reminders for each of your tasks so that your work does not pile up in one day. Perhaps you would like to avoid the problem of forgetting about a previous task because it was given to you by someone else. You can set a reminder for yourself and add it to the calendar. It will then repeat every weekday. If you want, you can also set an alarm that will go off once the time comes near. Add headings. Tasks may appear to be simple, but they can have several different topics. By adding headings, you'll be able to organize your tasks better and keep them straight. Prioritize your tasks. One of the most dreaded aspects of time management is prioritizing your tasks. You have a multitude of things to do and it can be overwhelming at times. How should you prioritize your tasks? The best way to prioritize is by fixing time frames. Conclusion: there are many things to consider when trying to live a healthy, happy life. Planning your schedule and setting goals for the day, week, or month can help you stay organized and motivated. The key is to find a system that works for you and maintain it. Once you get into these positive habits of self-care, remember that you are doing this all in order to reach your goals. Figuring out how to use Google Calendar will help you achieve them. Conclusion: there are many things to consider when trying to live a healthy, happy life. Planning your schedule and setting goals for the day, week, or month can help you stay organized and motivated. The key is to find a system that works for you and maintain it. Once you get into these positive habits of self-care, remember that you are doing this all in order to reach your goals. Figuring out how to use Google Calendar will help you achieve them. Conclusion: there are many things to consider when trying to live a healthy, happy life. Planning your schedule and setting goals for the day, week, or month can help you stay organized and motivated. The key is to find a system that works for you and maintain it. Once you get into these positive habits of self-care, remember that you are doing this all in order to reach your goals. Figuring out how to use Google Calendar will help you achieve them.